is one accomplishment where, like, since I've lost weight in 2002, lost 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Since then, I have just made one firm commitment to myself that I am going to live with good health, where I don't develop high blood pressure, I don't develop diabetes, I don't develop any chronic diseases, I don't develop asthma, and I always remain active. I carry a lean figure. I maintain a waist of 32, and that is what my goal is. Now, some people might have different goals. They might have, oh, I want to look like Hrithik Roshan. That's a good goal. I want to go to a size 0 like Kareena Kapoor. Fine. Again, don't go by any. I would, based upon my experience and based upon people whom I have judged, don't go on. I want to get that perfect six-pack. I want to get that perfect thing. Think of getting a six-pack lifestyle. I want a six-pack lifestyle. So approach, what kind of approach you are having towards exercise? What are you trying to accomplish? That is very, very important. If you are just trying to accomplish huge muscles, and you are not, you are completely eliminating the other health factors like your heart, your internal body organs. You want to, like, I've seen so many people who want to eat a lot of protein powders to get their muscle fast. So that is their approach. I would say, please, when you are trying to approach towards weight loss or towards good health, write down what kind of approach you are doing it, and based upon that approach, you have to define your exercise. Exercise has to be happy. You have to feel good after exercise. So the approach is very important. What kind of approach you are having? What are you trying to accomplish? You're just trying to get a six-pack lifestyle, and that's a getting a six-pack, approaching to get a six-pack is perfect. But again, you should not eliminate the other very good health benefits. So you just only, you just want to do weight training, and you don't want to do cardiovascular exercise, you don't want to exercise your heart. That is not a good approach. So write down your approach. What do you want to do? Where do you want to, what kind of health you want to define for yourself? That is very, very important. Just don't blindly say, I want to be like a, like a celebrity. I'll give you an example. I admire Aamir Khan a lot. Okay, he's a perfect actor, a great actor, and the kind of body he got in Ghajini is amazing. But do you know the amount of hours he has invested daily? 4 to 5 hours daily to get that huge muscle look. Now you, as a common man, you cannot afford to do that. You have a job to do. You have a family to take care of. You have professional and personal obligations. We are not celebrities. Let celebrities be celebrities. Let them enjoy. We enjoy their movies, fine. But what you have to define, what kind of approach you are having towards good health. So that is just having this in mind. I want to look like Aamir Khan is not a good approach. No, because he is a celebrity. I mean, to get there, you have to invest a lot of things, money and everything. Right approach. Define your right approach. What do you want to become? What do you aspire for? What kind of health you aspire for? Define that, and because once you define that, once you live with that, once you have that in your mind, that is what will make you approach to your ideal healthy body. Right way of doing exercise. So once you have the right approach, the right way of doing exercise, not injuring yourself. Don't injure yourself. Exercise is meant to be to make you feel happy, to make you feel good, to do good to your body. Okay, exercise is meant to give you good health. So if you just start running a marathon, or you just go to a gym and you see a guy running on a treadmill at the speed of 12, and you can hardly run on 7 or 8, and you try to compete with him, not the right way. Okay, define the right way according to your weight, according to your age, according to your capacity. Every human being is different. I'll just tell you that when I started my weight loss journey, I was not able to do even one single push-up. It was because I was carrying so much of weight, and I did make some mistakes by seeing people in the gymnasium and doing some crazy exercises. What did I land up with? Injury. But I learned from my mistakes. Now, after 9 years of maintaining my weight, I can do 40 push-ups. It was slowly my body adapted to everything. So try to understand, do it slowly, and do the exercise the right way, according to your age, your capacity, your adaptability. That is what I would like to say. So I have summarized the proper exercise benefit in the healthy lifestyle equation. Exercise, again, I'll summarize it for you. Next type of exercise which you should always be doing is cardiovascular exercise. Skipping, running, jumping rope, jogging, running, at least 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Body weight exercise, push-ups, pull-ups, simple body exercise, 5 minutes. Stretching, then strength training to tone up your muscles. And with all these, the perfect breathing is required. Then the exercise, right type of environment, the right approach to do exercise, and doing it the right way. You have to set all these into your lifestyle. Everything lifestyle. I have got a lot of good exercise videos on my in my YouTube section. These videos are for you, the common man, and I definitely hope that you will benefit from those videos.